These KOCH SYSTEME CS 8+11 premium nonstick frying pans are a great addition to any kitchen. They come as a set, including both an 8-inch and an 11-inch pan. These pans boast a granite stone nonstick surface. This special coating helps food slide off easily, and it makes cooking and cleaning simpler. You can even cook with less oil or butter. This is a big plus for those watching what they eat. The KOCH SYSTEME CS 8+11 premium nonstick pans are made from strong aluminum. This material helps the pans heat up quickly and evenly, so you won't have hot spots that burn your food. The set also includes lids. Lids are useful because they trap heat and moisture. This helps your food cook faster and stay warm. The handles are designed to be easy to grip. They should feel comfortable in your hand as you cook and flip your food. Overall, the KOCH SYSTEME CS 8+11 premium nonstick granite stone frying pan set seems like a reliable choice for everyday cooking. They are compatible with all kinds of stoves, which is very convenient. The nonstick surface is a standout feature, promising easy food release and cleanup. If you are looking for a practical set of frying pans for your daily meals, this KOCH SYSTEME CS set could be a good option to consider. It offers a combination of convenience and ease of use for your day-to-day cooking needs. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: nonstick surface, granite stone, premium quality, 2 pan sizes, includes lids, aluminum pan. Effortless cooking, easy to clean, all stove types, gray color, durable build, good for gifting. Cons: handle might get hot, lids may not be oven safe, uneven heating possible, could be prone to scratches, not fully clear if dishwasher safe, might be heavier than expected. Granite stone claim is a coating, price could be a concern. Features: 2 pans included, nonstick surface, granite stone look, gray color, comes with lids. Aluminum material, easy to cook with, effortless cleaning, works on all stoves, premium quality. This KOCH SYSTEME CS frying pan set includes 2 gray pans, 8-inch and 11-inch, with a nonstick granite stone look, made of aluminum with lids. These pans are designed for easy cooking and cleaning on all types of stoves. They are described as premium quality, implying they are well made for everyday use in the kitchen. This KOCH SYSTEME CS frying pan set includes 2 gray nonstick aluminum pans, 8 inches and 11 inches, with lids, featuring a granite stone coating for easy, low-oil cooking and simple cleaning on all stovetops. While the pans are noted for their premium quality, durability, and suitability as a gift, some potential downsides include handles that might get hot, lids possibly not being oven safe, the potential for uneven heating or scratches, unclear dishwasher safety, a possibly heavier feel, and the granite stone being a coating rather than solid stone, which may make the price a bit high for some.